Mom. I'll hold it up.
It's not going. We're not moving.
There you go. Gotta wait. Gotta make sure you get this in. Reel. See this where the line connects? There you go. Now you ain't got much left.
Come on. That's one, Mom. Come on.
Keep going. Reel down. Pull up. Oh, yeah, Jody!
Nice.
Holy cow!
See that?
No! Oh, we're hooked on something else too.
That planer board.
Mom, that's the reason why I fell off.
Holy cow!
I was about to say, it better be a big one since I fell down. Look at that. Shud. Holy. That's a nice one, Mom.
Good job, honey.
You good?
Oh, watch out. We're moving.
Just whack the
Oh.
stick.
Holy cow.
See, now that's the thing. Now that's why I fell down, Mom. It's because of this chud. Noah.
We gotta weigh that thing.
Noah, look at the one that Mom just caught.
What?
Noah, wake up.
Noah. Look at this guy. He's just doing Noah things.
Definitely a picture.
Definitely. Picture. Now that's why, Mom. Now you know why I fell over.
On Mom's anniversary present.
Oh, look at that. Oh.
That's a beauty, honey.
Noah.
Go ahead, Nick.
I just prayed to the salmon gods a little bit ago.
Oh, this one.
We got another one going. This one.
Crap. Can't get this one in. He's gone. About time. Oh my. Noah, wake up. Noah.
Leave him alone.
Noah, look at this. Look at the one Mom just caught. Wakey. Dude, come over here. Holy. Oh.
What? What?
19, 17, 18.
18 and some change.
No, it's an 18-pounder.
Woohoo!
Mom.
I wonder why my hand hurts so bad.
See, no, that's why.
I don't know, but we need my phone. We need to take a picture.
Hurry up.
Third fish of the day, and Noah has finally gotten up. Yeah. Go.
I literally just happy birthday and I prayed to the salmon gods that she send them down here. Oh, now we're at 89%.
Okay, that's good. Go ahead.
I think this is my 8.
We got a double going on and we got another third one going off. We got total chaos happening right now. Forwards going and downriggers messing.
I think this is my last color.
Watch out, Noah.
Give me the whooping stick. Where's the whooping stick? What do you it's right by my leg.
Got fish flopping. We got shades falling. Total chaos happening right now.
Need that.
I got it right here. That one's still screaming.
All right, grab that board.
I can't.
This one.
Wait.
This one.
Yep, that's the one, Nate.
Why do you do?
Just start going, Nate.
Whack me.
Go, watch out. Suck on that hit.
We got fish flapping on the floor.
Oh my god.
This guy's still flapping around down there.
Oh.
3 of them in a row.
I can't believe this guy's alive.
Here, hand me that. I'll hold it.
So that one big too, they do that about the
There's a second fish.
Oh, they're down there.
There's another one down there. And there's one up there and there's one down here by me. Oh my god!
Comes Nate's board.
Yep.
Oh my god, watch out for this one.
Yep, you're good. You're good. Now we're in. There you go.
Yeah!
I'm sweating. Mom with her selfie stick and her net.
Oh my god. He could be a little one. He could be a little one.
He's not gonna be a little one, bro.
I don't mind the little one. Wait, is this mine or is that mine?
That one's yours.
This is the second one?
That was supposed to be killing that.
It's alright. I let you take my turn. That pole looks way
Which
too
is
far
my
away.
turn.
Yeah, you can go next. I'm happy. I caught my big one. You guys can catch all the rest of them.
You're happier for 18 one. See, how does it feel to get beat by mom?
Feels great.
By 1.5 pounds.
Feels great considering I lost all those fish the first day.
Aw, my thing. Not my thing.
Oh.
I wish the screen wouldn't shut off.
Right there. Oh. Reel down. Pull up.
Oh my
I
god!
think he did
No! Get it! Oh my gosh!
Go back, Nate.
Oh, we need a bigger net.
Oh my god!
Oh.
Another toad.
Oh my god.
Look at that big bastard.
I think he
You just beat
Oh
Mom.
my god!
That totally should have been mine.
PP mom.
That should have been mine.
Wait, hold on.
That should have been yours.
That at least has to be.
Oh my god! Oh my
That's
god!
like 20 or 19.
Oh
It's
my
way
God.
bigger than yours.
Oh yeah!
Oh man, he wasn't.
All right, I'm stopping this.
It's at 81%.
Yeah. I don't know what it was doing earlier.
All right, 6 fish of the day, I think.
Yep.
And Noah's turn again.
We're gonna just put over to Dad.
Let's go.
Whoa, what the heck? He was over there.
Oh, look at him.
Oh, he's just
Oh, he's a
fighter.
little guy.
He's just a fighter.
Just a little fighter.
Keep reeling. Reel down, reel down, reel down. Pull up. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 yeah. Get out of the motor, you son of a bitch. Hold on. Give it. Give it. Raise the motor. Oh, there's the fish. I'm recording. What in the fuck? The fish? No, don't get him. I don't know he's got it. No, watch out. I see the line. It's up there, it's up there, it's up there. It's caught up there. Oh my God, if we get him, I will be amazed. Oh my God. Come here, you fucker. I can't get him.
I don't want to come
I
up.
can't get him. He just is right there. He's so deep.
He doesn't want to come up.
Oh my God.
He doesn't want to come up.
He's stuck on the motor.
Oh, I see the line over there on
It's
the
wrapped
water.
around the whole motor.
Come on, you fucker. Just swim into the damn net.
Oh my God, Dad, that was your chance. Oh my
What's happening?
God. What is this?
Come on.
Oh my
Okay, I
God.
got him.
Finally.
Holy shnikes. It's a rainbow, too, I think.
That's a ring.
No, grab the beater.
Beater, beater, beater.
No, it's right there, it's right there.
Oh, beater, beater.
Thanks.
You have to whack him today.
I need the tool. Oh, man, I got it.
Oh my.
I'll whack him real quick. Hey,
Ah.
watch out.
Which way are we going? We still good? Where's that boat? Baby!
Oh my God, I see it.
I don't think so.
Oh,
Yeah! Holy smokes!
I think it's 7th
Take your time. Take your time. We don't need him jumping in the back of the boat.
That would be sick. Oh,
Holy crap. I ain't never had one.
He's a feisty one.
Do it again. 45 foot down. 40 minutes. That's pretty good. You're doing good. Keep going. Reel down, reel down, reel down. Stop. Hold up. Oh, easy, easy. Don't ever horse him that hard. That's a nice fish.
no, look at that.
Dude.
Holy, look at all that.
Oh. Nice job, Noah. Whack him, Nathan.
I did.
Watch him again.
I think I found it. It's twitching. Oh my God.
That was
Yeah,
awesome,
buddy.
dude.
We're all John Buck.
I got some of the jumping.
That was awesome. Good job, bud. Hey, let's get another picture.
Yeah.
Picture?
Yep.
Wait, what?